Action.
Assalamualaikum mom. I don't have.
Mau daftar IDN gitu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Amshaf Garif, but most people simply call me Uki. After graduation, after graduation from high school, I initially aimed to continue my studies at a public college. However, things didn't go as planned, and I wasn't accepted. At first, I felt a bit disappointed, but I didn't want to give up. I start looking for alternative option, especially I search private college that still offered good program and strong learning environment. During my search, I came across IDN Polytechnic. The more I learned about it, and the more interested I became. I decided to try applying, and to my surprise and relief, I got accepted. Nice. At that moment, I didn't even know that IDN Polytechnic offered full scholarship. I don't know. When I found out about the scholarship opportunity, I became even more motivated to enroll. Yeah. One thing that really drew my attention was the structure of the program. The academic study only takes 1 year, and after that, students are encouraged to intern anywhere they want. This system really fits my goals because I want to gain real world experience as soon as possible. Uh, and then my mother also played an important role in my decision. She encouraged me to choose Eden Polytechnic because she believed the academic environment, discipline, and overall almost would be good for my growth, both academically and personally. With her support and my own excitement, I felt confident that this was the right place for me. And then, when in the last years in Polytechnic in the end, we go to Inshallah we go to Madinah. The Polytechnic then said, uh, if you have 2,000 million in the last years, you can go to Madinah with your family, and we go to Madinah and we umrah with my family. Yeah, like this. And maybe okay.
Okay, guys, I want to introduce myself. My name is Amirullah Nabil Batuananta. Wait. I was born in Semarang City at 29 August 2006, and in this video I will tell you about myself. But before I tell you about myself, I want to take my clothes first. Okay, in here I want to take my clothes. I want to drop it first to my bag. Here, my friend. So now, before continue to introduce myself, I want to take a drink first. I want to take my drink. Okay. Ah, it's so dirty here. Okay. let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Almirullah Nabil Batuananta, and you can call me Arul. I'm from Semarang, and I'm 19 years old, and my favorite food is nasi goreng, and also I like fried rice. Fried rice is nasi goreng, and also like fried chicken, and also soup is my favorite food. And my hobby, I have several hobby like I'm people who like swimming and also like hiking, and I was hike for 10, 12, 8, 10 mountains, 10 different mountains, and the highest mountain is Rinjani and here. But now I want to tell you about my future. So now I don't have think about where I will continue my study. So I think now I want to continue my study in the top 10 of PTN Indonesian campus. But I don't think who will I go.
Tiga.
But my senior high school at Alirsyad have recommended to me to continue my study at Middle East, and also they recommend to me to go to try to Libya and also the other Islamic university at Indonesia or not Indonesia. But I'm also looking for Indonesian universities like Undip and also Indonesian universities or UI and also UGM. But when I check to try to continue the PTN, the cost to pay the UKT it's so high, and maybe I want to try to looking for scholarship first.
Tiga.
What the reason why I chose Undip, because Undip is near from my house, and also Undip is top 10 of Indonesian university, and I want to try to register in Undip Universitas Diponegoro in doctor major, and but the cost to pay the UKT it's so high. But I will to try to UTBK, because when I join and I try to get a UTBK, I can get a lowest UKT than Mandiri or
Hey. Halo guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Bintang Abdul Rafi Hussein, and now I'm 19 years old, and I was born in Jakarta, 10 September 2006. But now I live in South Tangerang BSD, and my friend thinks I'm a rich man, but I'm not rich, just because I'm live in BSD. And my hobby is boxing, or sometimes I'm playing football, and I like UFC, and my favorite UFC fighter is now Islam Makhachev and Dustin Poirier, and I will talk about with my city. In my city is the very good people and the Chinese, so many Chinese in there, but I'm not Chinese. Now I was graduate from my senior high school, and I'm looking for the campus, and I want to register top 5 campus in Indonesia, like UGM, UI, ITB, Undip, and maybe Brawijaya. And in UGM, people graduate from UGM maybe is Presiden Joko Widodo, and UI I don't know, and Undip maybe my neighbor there, and ITB my siblings in ITB, and UB my friend in ITB in UB, guys. Okay. And my effort for enter the campus is I study in Arul's Bimbel and two Bimbels. First Arul's Bimbel and the second Maman's Bimbel. And in the Arul's Bimbel I pay for 5 million for the 1 month, and in Maman Bimbel I pay for maybe 10 million for 1 month, and then and I was to try for the tryout in Maman's Bimbel and Arul's Bimbel, and my score is maybe 600, and my score in the Maman's Bimbel, my score tryout in Maman's Bimbel is 600 maybe, and in the Arul's Bimbel 500, and inshallah I will enter the top 5 campus in Indonesian, and I hope, but maybe even I don't enter this 5 top campus in Indonesia, I will enter in University of Madinah, Universitas Islam Madinah, and I looking for major doctor because my face look like a doctor, and okay guys, maybe I want to take my cloth because rain gonna. Okay guys.
Hello guys, my name is Bintang Prastya Aditya, and I'm 19 years old, and I come from Tangerang, but I was born in Tanjung Priok or North Jakarta. And after graduating from my boarding school in Salatiga, that is Al Irsyad Islamic boarding school, life is suddenly filled and quiet. For years, my days were filled with routines: the earlier morning prayer, the sound of the page turning in the classroom, the peaceful rhythm of learning. But now, everything feels open and wide, almost like I'm standing at the beginning of a new world, holding a map I just unfolded for the very first time. And I remember waking up the first day after returning home. No bells, no schedule, no teacher calling out, listen, just me, and the realization that the next step of my life was in my own hand. And that's the next step was clear: finding the right university. Searching for a university was not as simple as I thought. I wanted a place where I could grow, not just academically, for my personality. Uh, a place where I call that everything I learning from the Alirshad, disciplines, patience, sincerity, and bring it into a new kind of environment. So I started exploring options, scrolling through website, watching campus video, reading a review, and asking my friend for advice. Sometimes I felt excited, but sometimes overwhelmed. There were moments when I asked myself, "I'm ready for this. Am I causing the right path?" But then I would remember how many challenges I overcame in the other shot. Thus, years taught me to trust the process and to trust myself. I realized that I was not starting from zero. The boarding school gave me more than knowledge. It gave me character. It taught me how to focus, how to manage my time, how to be responsible even when one was watching. Thus, listen became my foundation as I continued my search. Slowly, I started understanding what I really want, what kind of a major fits me, what kind of campus environment I'm looking for, and the more I search, the more everything starts to make sense. I realized that this journey is not just about choosing a university. It's about choosing the next version of myself, a version that's ready for a new challenge, the new experiments, and a new people. A version that carries the values from the other side, but is not afraid to step into the modern world. So here I am, a fresh graduate standing at the edge of a new character and the new chapter, still searching, still learning, still growing, and I don't have everything figured out yet, and that's okay because this journey, just like the one before it, is shaping me into who I am into the become, and whatever university I end up in, I know it will be start of something meaningful.
Hey bro, how are you bro? Oh, I'm fine. Oh, where do you next school, bro? Oh, okay, okay. Tell me about your new school. Oh, your school is so good, yeah. Can you tell me about your school for me? Where? In Salatiga? Okay, okay. Maybe in the night I will go to the Salatiga. Uh, Now I want to buy something before, maybe in the night. Okay, okay. Just call me. Just call me in this number, okay? Okay, okay. Thank you.